portiamo in barca.
Cosa, scusami?
Racchettiamo 2 o 3 piripiri da portare in barca.
Sì, ma guardate i piripiri, c'è questo barbecue.
Se no possiamo cucinarlo in mare.
Hello.
Piripiri. Dai, racchettiamone un paio ce le portiamo in barca.
Sì, vedi qua c'è il sandwich gratis.
Sarah, shall we get a couple of piripiri? We take them to the boat, we shark them a little bit.
What do you think?
You know what? Pick them up if you can.
You would lick a pussy of a pili pili?
No, I don't want to see Sarah licking a piripiri's pussy.
I want to.
Let's get Sarah to lick some knife.
It's so beautiful, the weather. Where is our boat? Over there. So this is our boat. Oh, it's so smugly. Hello.
No.
Why?
Oh, che non devo...
Hello. He's very angry. Why? I like to take pictures.
You take picture, then you take picture for me, love.
You want a picture?
Yeah.